Hello.
5 adults and 1 child.
Yes.
It's actually,
Oh. Not
next
this?
page, next
Oh.
page. This is for pabalik na.
Oh, okay.
No, because there's like
one
6
more.
adults.
6 adults.
So this is the 6th one.
Yeah. Okay.
Pabalik sila.
Thank you. Lane 42. So for today's video, kasama namin kayo sa trip namin going to Victoria. Just for a day. Road trip lang tayo para makita natin kasi hindi pa nakikita ng mga in-laws ko yung Victoria. So why not bring them there? So dito sa Victoria, merong station for breakfast. Ayan. Hi. Good morning. It's currently what time?
6:59.
6:59. Ang sailing namin is scheduled at 7 in the morning. Ayan ang view natin. So you can see. Ang usual na nagkikater dito is White Spot and Triple O's. Hindi ko lang sure kung sila pa rin ngayon. It looks like it. Wow, look at that. Here in the ferry. Sobrang lamig.
You okay, Joy?
This is our view.
Flip up.
Yan. Ganda, di ba? Papaligiran tayo ng mga islands ng Vancouver. Sana all, no? May bahay ka dyan, no? Waterfront.
Oh, I might drop
nice.
my phone.
Wow. Living the life. Shanky's living the life.
Weird na. Ay, weird pala, weird.
Oh, yeah. Shut up. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Quick photo!
Woo! You like it, Kobe?
Okay! Photo! Yan.
Woo! And nakatago na tayo sa ano yan, may windbreaker.
Yeah.
Do you see yourself in that house, Shanky?
Wake up and just dive.
Medyo humupa ng konti ang hangin. So yung huli punta namin dito way back in 2018. Ngayon lang ulit. Yeah, so far so good. Di maalon.
Hey, Joy and
Malamig
Shanky,
lang
come on.
talaga.
Take your phone.
Hello TV fam. Saan tayo today?
Butchart Gardens. In Victoria.
Nandito tayo sa Victoria sa Butchart Garden. Anyway, malamig-lamig pa. It's currently 11 degrees. And kararating lang natin. Time check. Hindi ko anong oras na. Ano ba? Yun, no? 9:21. Aga-aga pa tayo. Kasi umiiwas din tayo sa init. Kasi nga, Victoria is the warmest place dito sa Vancouver. Considered, ha? At usually yung mga islands talaga medyo warm. So yan, ililibot namin kayo dito para makita nyo kung ano ang pwede mo makita dito sa Butchart Garden. Sama namin kayo sa mga walking vlog tour na gagawin natin. Lamig. May AC na tumatakbo. Ayan. Para makita nyo naman yung paligid na kung saan kami. So andito kami dito sa coffee shop. Kita nyo ba sa likod ko? And then Seeds and Gifts, yung kanilang parang what do you call this, mga memorabilia na nanggaling ka dito sa Butchart Garden. And then on that side, andun yung information center on that side. And then yung famous name na Butchart Gardens na kung saan yung mga tao nagpapapicture yan, usually dyan. Yan.
Got stuck, you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you.
And so, pag nature lover ka, this is the place to go. Ayun, ngayon pala, makikita mo sa palibot natin, puro magagandang bulaklak. More on tulips. Sana marami silang ano dito, no? Cherry blossom. Parang ang cherry blossom na nakita ko, yun pa lang, yung white. Right? Hindi pa ganoon ka bloom eh. Makikita natin kung meron pa yung medyo sibol na talaga mamaya. Yun yung mga naman, no? Ganda.
Got stuck you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you.
Minsan napapaisip ka, maganda kayang mag-move dito sa Victoria? Comment down below kung merong tayong mga subscribers nga pareho na alam ko sila may taga dito sa Victoria. Let us know kung ano bang difference na nakikita nyo between Vancouver itself and dito sa Victoria in terms of like cost of living. Alam ko yung mga properties almost the same in terms of like price. Pero it would be good to know na malaman natin kung yung difference ba is the same, more or less the same, or mas may advantage pa rin dito sa Victoria. Kung muna tayo dito, dito tayo sa, ano ba to? Tabi ng carousel, is this side, no? Kung meron kayong mga kids na kasama dito sa Butchart Garden, yan, that's a good place to go. Ang price ng tickets nila para makaride ka sa carousel is about $2 per kid, or it could be adult too. Basta $2 ang fee. Kasi malamang sasamahan mo yung anak mo or any bata, minor, na hindi siya mag-fall off or whatnot. So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view natin habang nakaupo. Oh. Diba? Not bad. So mo lang mag-relax, tingin-tingin ka ng mga puno. Yan. Not to mention yung mga flowers na makikita mo. Diba? Para siyang ano, para siyang screensaver in reality. Yung kulay nung green na nagbe-blend papunta sa white. Ang ganda, medyo parang malamig sa mata tignan. Tapos they have, hindi ko alam mong tawag sa flowers na yun. I'm assuming those are tulips considered. Yellow and purple. Okay guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang sunken garden. Nice view. So guys, ito yung view natin from the middle part ng sunken garden. Init na ang aking partner. Maganda sana to kung naka-bloom na yung mga cherry blossom tree. Kaso hindi pa siya fully bloom. Ayan o, dahil pang mga brown part. Tsaka doon, they're starting to bloom pa lang. No? What's on the other side? Let's check. Ayun o, ito nyo yung mga brown trees. Those are all cherry blossom. Dapat mag-bloom siya na parang ganyan o. Nakita nyo to. Nag-start pa lang. So this is the way going to the Japanese garden. That's a sturgeon statue. May torii gates na sila doon. That was pretty cool. Ayan. Sayang wala silang fish dito, no? Just water spiders. Oh, is this the dock? Oh, that's a pretty nice window. Hi TV fam, so nandito tayo ngayon sa wharf ng Victoria for some lunch. Hanap lang tayo ng restaurant na pwede natin kainan dito. Medyo nagutom tayo sa kakalakad sa Butchart Garden. Ano yun? Nandito tayo sa Barb's Fish and Chips. Tingnan natin ang kanilang menu. Oh wow. So they serve burgers, fish and chips, literally sides. May kids meal din sila, oh. And then seafood side orders. I think I'm looking at Famous Barb's Burger. Ano na naman dito? Hindi pa tayo mag-order?
Nag-order na ako. So,
nag-order ka na?
kay Shanti. Hindi ko alam gusto mo eh. Sabihin mo siya.
Ano in-order mo?
Fish and chips. Ayun siya.
May sides kang kukunin or ginawa?
Wala, just the chips. Ayun lang.
Hi there.
Hi, can we just check for the burger? Does it come with fries?
Already?
Yes, it does.
It does? Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And,
Okay.
and do you guys fry your how's the halibut burger done?
You can choose. It can be deep fried halibut or it can be grilled halibut.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
What's more in demand? Is it like the fried one or?
Most people take the fried.
The fried?
But they're both very good. I mean, some people don't want it deep fried.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
They'd
yeah, yeah.
rather- The fresh is very tasty, of course, too. The salmon is very tasty.
Okay, I'll just get that
grilled.
one.
Get the grilled
I'll
one?
get the grilled one. Oh no, the fried
Fried
one.
one?
Fried one.
Okay, fried halibut burger.
Okay, so the halibut burger with fries. Yep.
Yes, one. And then for the the sockeye salmon, right?
Yeah.
Is it fried as well, or is it grilled?
Same thing. You can do it deep fried or you can do it.
Can I choose one fried and one grilled?
Just
For
a
two
bit
piece?
fried out.
I think you can, yeah. Let me just ask.
Sure.
And you're doing that with the chips, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Quick question.
Why not?
So you can try one of each.
One of each.
One is fried and then one is grilled.
At the end of the day, it's a matter of choices, right?
One piece of halibut and fries, and then you can add a single piece of halibut to it.
Yeah, yeah. I can do it where I could sell you like a one-piece halibut and fries, and it would be deep fried, and then I can sell you a single piece of halibut
Grilled.
or salmon. Sorry,
Grilled.
grilled. But we can't like mix the two pieces.
Okay, sure.
But we sort of can.
Okay.
Is that what
Okay.
you want to try one? of
Yes,
each?
that'd be
so
great,
I'm gonna
yeah.
do one piece salmon and chips, and then I'll do a single piece of salmon. And do you want that grilled plain, Cajun, garlic butter, or teriyaki?
Cajun.
So yung area niya, you have sitting areas everywhere actually. There's a good place there. There's another place here. Yung iba enclosed. Kasi yung iba may heater or you just want to stay away from the sun. Yan ang pwede kainin. And then, eto, may mga good places here. You have a Mexican seafood. At first glance, akala ko actually ice cream eh. Na sobrang makulay. Ito, these are private homes. Itong area na to. So this area, this strip here, private homes. I wonder, no, kung yung loob niya medyo nag-wave din. No, yung feeling ng nakatira sa ganyang klaseng house. Yung floating house, that what they call it, floating house. And then very convenient, no, paglabas mo ng wharf, you have this place na pwede mo orderin. Hindi ko na kailangang magluto. Pero, ang problem dyan is yung parang price kasi. Medyo yung price nitong mga nandito na restaurant medyo mahal. Uy, kita mo yung mga fish, oh. You see those small fish? Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. But there are fish underneath. Nice. Malinaw din pala yung tubig. Daming barnacles, no? Mga corals. Tingnan natin yung parang pinakadulo, no? Hindi kaya sila naiingayan. I'm just wondering, no? Kasi lapit nila doon sa parang commercial area ng wharf. If you're gonna be living here, ano ba yun? May naiiba sila naiingayan. May mga notice nga dito eh, respect the residents quiet time. Parang ganun. Merong mga warning. Siguro merong curfew. Tignan natin yung parang pinakadulo. Ang dami rin nakatira. In fairness, in one row. Ilang houses to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in one row, 5. And then the other side is another 5. So 10. Magkano kaya yung ano nito? Home association dues. Baka mahal, no? Kasi mini-maintain nila yung ilalim, yung dock. And I wonder kung halimbawa yung kumbaga kung may storm, ano kayang feeling dito? Nag-shake kaya yung ground mo? Mahihilo ka kaya? And ito, nakita nyo ba yun? That's the water taxi. Yan naman. So may kami dyan dati. Uy, ito yan. Yung alo, no? Rinig nyo yun? Can you just imagine kung nakatira ka sa mga floating house? Na yan, tapos you hear that inside. I guess they have their own heating, yung propane, no? As you can see, may mga propane din sila dyan. Yung iba has direct connection sa electricity, pinaplug. That's very interesting. Ayan, nakita ko sa kanya. Ay, nakikita niya ba yan? Yan yung connection nila ng power, cable, utilities. That's the dock. Very interesting, oh. Sana magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na makapag-rent ng floating house para ma-feel natin yung ano bang nararamdaman pagka nakatira ka sa isang floating house. Ang festive lang kasi ng mga kulay ng bahay. Napaka-attractive at maganda tignan from afar. Tapos nandiyan sa kabila yung mga boats. Nakikita niyo ba yan, yung mga boats? Yeah. Ganda lang. May boat ka. Tapos may ganito kang house. Magkano kaya ito? Yung magka-flash tayo dyan sa screen ng mga sample ng binibentang floating house para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea kung magkano nila binibenta. And hopefully makapag-flash din tayo ng mga photos ng loob ng isang floating house. Tsaka kung meron sila mga fees, ilalagay natin dyan. Hopefully makapagbigay ng insight sa inyo. One thing lang na parang naiisip ko na parang challenge dito. So, parang wala pa akong nakikitang washroom. So, kung kumakain ka and you need a washroom, saan ka pupunta? Wala kasing makita eh. Tingnan natin. Oh, ito meron. I can see it. Ito kung nakikita niya to. Itong dock side. Uy, may sila yun. Look at that. Oh wow, you can see it from the water.
There's the seawater.
Oh nice. Woo. Wow. Anyway, ito na yung washroom. Mag-washroom na muna tayo. You would think na yung washroom nila parang siguro a room and a hall, but it's a full-blown washroom. Merong toilet, may sink. No, so yeah. Good enough. Medyo malayo nga lang. Hindi ganun ka-convenient. Alright guys, nakikita nyo ba yan? That's the water taxi. Ang operating hours nila is between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Ayan. So, ito yung parang pinaka-route nila. Ko Chinatown, Dock Green, West Bay. Saan kaya tayo ngayon? Oh, here. This is where you are. This one. And then I guess they're going back here. Harbor Air. So sa scan nyo lang yan. Probably to book. And this is the fee. 90 plus. Okay. Any point. Sinakyan namin to before just for the fun of it. Ayan o, parating na siya. Magandang sumakay sa ganitong klaseng taxi dahil at this point in time, medyo calm yung tubig. Hindi siya rough waters. So, I think it will be fun to ride it. So sila Joyce, they will ride the water taxi mamaya, and then tayo naman drive natin yung Sienna pabalik, and then we're just gonna meet them somewhere. Uy, cool ito. Ginawa niyang parang anchor yung mismong boat. Look at that, di ba? Ginawa niyang floating device yung boat, lumang boat. Okay, another stop. Nandito tayo ngayon sa mismong Parliament Building sa Victoria. As you can see, yan yung mismong Parliament Building. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Medyo madaming one-way dito sa Victoria, ha? Talaga nagpaikot-ikot kami para lang makahanap ng parking. Ayun na sila, Joyce. Galing sila sa water taxi. So hopefully na-enjoy nila yung ruta nila. O, diba? Maka-Instagram ang level nung background natin.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of